Hey guys, Doug here from Shore Grow. Now today I am so excited to finally announce this video series that me and my lovely co-host Brianna Valdez have been planning for months. Now Brianna is the president of the biology club, and without further interruption I will pass the mic to her and let her fill you guys in on her project.
Thanks, Doug. I'm Bree, and I applied for a grant funded by NASA and the New Jersey Space Grant Consortium to participate in Brookdale Community College's NASA STEM Fellowship program this year. As a recipient of this fellowship, Doug and I will be highlighting the ease of sustainability in agriculture. The objective of our project is to conduct a research experiment on the most efficient methods to optimize agricultural production with sustainable considerations to electricity, water, and nutrient consumption. The focus of our study will be on a comparative analysis of 3 vegetables and 2 herbs grown in hydroponics, aeroponics, and in a soil control. After several weeks of data collecting, we will be finding which method has the largest agricultural yields with the least amount of nutrients inputted.
Alright, you guys heard it from Bree. It's official, it's a grow off. We're comparing soil versus hydroponics versus aeroponics. Not only to find the best method of cultivation, but to find the best method at the least amount of inputs. So now that we're at the grow zone, let's take you inside the tent and show you what we're doing. This is it right behind us. This is our 5x5 grow environment that we're doing all 3 studies in simultaneously. So Bree, do us the honors, please.
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, look at these pretty happy plant babies. They're all seedlings because we're just starting this experiment. So the first thing you're going to notice is this cloner. Well, it's not a cloner. I fabricated it to be a high pressure aeroponics system. This is relatively new technology from a new company called Mr. Tip. What do I love about this new aeroponics system is that it puts out a 0.8 micron size water bead. The soil, which is going to be our control throughout the experiment, has all new, luscious, happy soil. And the hydro system in the back is a flood and drain system. So Bree, tell us about some of the inputs in this test.
For our nutrients, we decided on the Flora Nova line by General Hydroponics because we know General Hydroponics worked with NASA to develop this line for the space station, so it was only serendipitous that we used it for our NASA project. For our lighting source, we decided on a 4-foot, 4-tube fluorescent T5 light, which has 2 full and 2 blue spectrum lights, which gives us about a 75% blue spectrum output and 25% red spectrum output, which is really important since we are focusing on the vegetative growth cycle of these plants.
So now, our aeroponics system, that's going to turn on for 5 seconds every 30 minutes. Our hydroponic fill and drain system in the back, that's going to do 15-minute cycles 6 times a day. And the soil is going to be tended to daily, watered, and all the plants will be efficiently loved. If you guys like this, stay tuned week by week. We're going to go over the raw data that Bree is going to be extracting and recording for us so we can know. So Bree, thank you so much for spearheading this project. Thanks for allowing me to even be involved in it.
No, thank you, Doug, and everyone at Shore Grow for all your donations, which helped this project even be possible, as well as the Environmental and Biology Department at Brookdale, who allowed us to conduct this project in a classroom at Brookdale. So stay tuned if you want the raw data so you can form your own opinion on which agriculture system grows more efficiently.
You guys heard it from the lovely Brianna Valdez. I am Doug Glander. We will see you next week. Thanks, guys.